Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of reporting an event on Facebook. If you come across an event that violates Facebook's guidelines or requires reporting for any other reason, this full guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. If you haven't already done so, go to the Play Store on your smartphone and type Facebook into the search bar. Look for the white F logo with a white background. Tap on it, and then tap on Install to download and install the Facebook app. Step 2. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign in to your Facebook account. If you don't have an account, you can quickly create one by following the prompts. Step 3. After signing in, tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top right corner of the app. This will open the menu where you can access various options and settings. Step 4. Scroll down the menu and tap on Events. This will take you to the Events section, where you can discover and manage upcoming activities. Step 5. Find the event you want to report. Once you've located it, tap on the 3 stacked dots next to the event. This will open a menu with additional options. Step 6. Tap on Find Support or Report Event. This will direct you to the reporting interface where you can provide the necessary information. Step 7. Select the reasons why you want to submit a report for the event. Facebook provides various options to choose from to ensure accurate reporting. Follow the additional protocols and guidelines provided by Facebook for filing a report. Provide any relevant details or evidence to support your report, if applicable. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to report an event on Facebook. By reporting events that violate guidelines, you contribute to maintaining a safe and positive community. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. And remember to report responsibly on Facebook.